Make your point on the News Hour. Join Arnab every night on the News Hour with your question. Ask your question and join the debate.
And he was curious as to how to find out the place where Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi of that time would have been thrown. And so they calculated that it was a train of 1893, a steam locomotive and 6-coach train. The first class compartment would have been the last because those privileged VIPs traveling in a first class coach would not want the coal and the ash from the steam locomotive to really fly into their faces. So that would be the last, and that's how they calculated, based on the length of the engine and the length of the coaches, the spot where Mahatma would have been thrown from the 58 number seat and the nearest door from it. And you see, we are just pulling into it, and Prime Minister would be getting down at the spot. There is a statue which was put about a decade back, and he would be paying his respects there, and of course then goes into a waiting room there where an exhibition has been put for Prime Minister to kind of get a feel of the night that Gandhi spent there, and had his thoughts really configured as to what really he should be doing in terms of whether he should go back, to India, or should he really stay back and fight. To quote from Gandhi and his thoughts of that time, he was scared. He was not sure whether he should be trusting people here. He in fact mentions that when he entered the waiting room, there was a white man standing, and he was scared of that white man also. But then his thoughts got the better of his fears, and he decided that no, he has come here for a cause and he should remain true to it. And that's how his journey. And now you see the pictures, the Premier of KwaZulu-Natal getting down, and we're expecting that the Prime Minister obviously would be getting down. This is basically those accompanying him are part of the Gandhi Memorial Committee, or the Gandhi Heritage Committee, that is part of the Pietermaritzburg public life. They are very active. They organize annual and events associated with Gandhi. They have a regular Gandhi walk through the Pietermaritzburg town, and these people were accompanying the Prime Minister in this 20-minute journey from Pentridge railway station to this Pietermaritzburg railway station where we are now. So you can expect that Prime Minister gets down, and then he interacts with the Indian community that is present here to welcome him, goes on to the waiting room, goes through the exhibition, and then shares his thoughts. Deepti.
Yes, so Abhishek, this entire journey essentially has taken a good about 20 to 25 minutes. We've seen the Prime Minister essentially, he's still waiting to get out of that compartment. And remember, Abhishek Kapoor reporting for us on Times Now, the only channel essentially to be telling you live of how this journey is all set to perhaps change a lot of politics also way back home. Because, Abhishek, this is fascinating. And the way you've been talking, that the Prime Minister there essentially talking of an icon of tolerance, an icon of non-violence. Abhishek, can you hear us?
Yeah, I'm getting you, please.
Yeah, so Abhishek, what really is happening right now? We see the Prime Minister there. He's clearly not got off that train yet. What happens from here on?
Well, you see, what is happening is that his team has got down, and those accompanying him are getting down. There is the security drill also that is being followed. So after an all clear comes from the SPG, he would be getting down. The rest of the persons who are accompanying him in the compartment, they are already out of it, and it seems that the Prime Minister is there along with the Premier of this province KwaZulu-Natal, and he would be coming down. I mean, just in a while. Everyone waiting for him to really get the security clearance and get out. If I could ask Amit to really pan for a while, if you can show give the mood of the platform and the people who are gathered They're waiting for Prime Minister to come out and greet them, and then of course be welcomed by them. So that moment has now you see the Prime Minister, he's come out,
Yes,
and welcomed with an applause by those present here, essentially citizens of Pietermaritzburg of Indian origin. So obviously there is this Indian connect with the audience. Prime Minister getting down, and of course he's being received by the mayor and the local authorities.